Alright, just leaving Sydney. One night in Sydney is enough. So I'm going to go to 55 k's to Campbelltown. I'm going to follow the M5. And then once I get to Campbelltown, I'm going to follow the Hume down to the Goulburn. And then that's 160 kilometres, I think. So I'm about 210 kilometres from Canberra. Sorry, from Goulburn. And then another 130 k's from Canberra. So I should be in Goulburn in a day and a half. If I had to do this again, I would take the train to Camberwell, whatever it's called. It's just pretty hectic trying to get out of the city. Yeah, almost there. And then get to the Hume, and then straight down following the Hume to Goulburn tomorrow afternoon, I think. See how we go. I'm going to stealth camp tonight here next to the oval. It's supposed to rain. It's freaking cold. Very hot soup with a Tabasco sauce, garlic, and some turmeric. These noodles, and then put 2 of these packets in it. Bloody good. Oh, yeah. Almost out of gas. So cold, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm just stealth camped at the park. Yeah, got the full thermals on now. Yeah, the beanie. Well, last night was interesting. Had that gale force winds. This shelter was soaked. Rookie error, I had nowhere to tie up my tent, so the whole of this side got soaked. Anyway, lucky it's my last night in the tent. A little bit wet inside. Anyway, not too bad. I had it work. Yeah, but when you set up a tent, you gotta make sure it's tied off and the outer wall is not touching the inner wall, else the inner wall will get wet. I'm a day away from Canberra. Alright, all packed, ready to go. Last big push into Canberra. I got my GoPro working again, but anyway, massive winds, rain last night. All my tent's wet. I just arrived in Goulburn, staying at this hotel. It is freezing. It's probably 2 degrees. The Astor Hotel in Goulburn. Okay, I'm done. Oh, a bit of a milestone today. I'm not going to wear my Merrill shoes. I've worn these for 7 months. First time I'll be wearing runners with socks. Why? Because it's cold It is -2 and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. And you know, these are almost on the way out, so I'm going to chuck them in the bin. But they've been really good Merrell's hiking shoes. I've used them all the way around Australia until Goulburn. Yeah, got my runners on and good to go. Canberra, 94 kilometres. See you around. Well, just leaving Goulburn. It's about probably 1 degree, but it feels like it's -3 when runners for the first time in 7 months, and I'm absolutely freezing. Anyway, it's only 93 kilometres to Canberra. I'm not in a hurry. I'll probably stop at one of the VC rest areas on the way. Yeah, oh, it's cold. Anyway, I'm going to Macca's for a coffee and some raisin toast. Oh. Just want to thank Jackie for my birthday present. I got this beanie and a hat. It's so cold. Sydney, that way. Canberra, that way. So cold. Still very cold, almost there. About to turn left onto the federal highway heading to Canberra. Another about 80 kilometres to go. And I don't know if you can see the grass, but the wind is so strong, I'm having to walk. Should be in Canberra, I think it's about 70 k's. Anyway, I'm walking for a bit, see if it lines up. You can see the grass. Alright. I know, 53 kilometres, wet, cold, hands freezing, feet freezing. We've already got 53 k's to go. Lost my sign a couple of times. Falls off again, I'm going to leave it. Righto, fuck it, let's do it. Alright, about 45 k's out of Canberra, soaking wet, cold, Lake George. Alright, Canberra's about 40 k's away, Lake George. It's just stopped raining, but it's still a little bit anyway. Cold and wet. GoPro's broken. Feet are wet, hands are cold, face is wet. Had hail before, had everything. I continue. Alright, just leaving the caravan park, about 20 k's from Canberra. It's about -2. Absolutely freezing. Alright, at least I'm dry, not wet today. Yesterday was shocking. Probably the hardest day with the cold, rain and the wind. And a new day, finished today, heading to the War Memorial. Well, I've now conquered New South Wales, moving into the Capital Territory, where I finish at the War Memorial in about 17 kilometres. You know it's cold when you can see snow on top of the mountain. Lucky I got my shorts on. Oh. Anyway, I'll continue. I can see Parliament House now.
Fuck yeah, I'm excited for you. I can
Adam, I'm trying to record on my GoPro.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Say something for the viewers.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Oh god, that's funny. That's funny.
The mirror at Phnom Penh says hello.
That might have to be cut out, that part. Well, I arrived at Parliament House almost. Gonna go take some photos up here. I asked the security guys how to get on the roof. Maybe a Greens MP can let me on the roof. Hey, how do I get on the roof?
Go inside.
Do I ask a Greens MP or? What? It's a joke. Come on.
Okay.
Sense of humour. Go on. Okay, don't ask the Australian Federal Police how to get on the roof of the Capitol, of the Parliament House. The boys understood that Sheila, she wasn't too happy. Anyway, whoa, more. Here we come. There's the end, Woomora and Zac Parade. So they're still doing construction on the front. Have to go around the back again. That's a bugger. So, just circumnavigated Australia. At the Woomera in Canberra. What to do now? I don't know. I thought I would have figured it out by now, but I guess I'm still lost. Anyway, I'm looking for the mariachi band to welcome me here. Apparently they're hiding. Anyway, cheers. New adventures to wait. Sure, should I say new adventures to come? I don't know. Yeah, the bike's had enough too.